Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to use a group by formula. So here we can see that the products, amounts and sales. In product we have see that PC, SSDs and video card, cables, etc. So we can add like this PC calculate first 1 2 3 4 5, and we can the sale amount is also. So this amount we can add, and it take time to add this amount to finding the how many PCs and his amounts. So it take time. So I have used a short formula like equal and write formula group by bracket and select the products. Here we can see that these are the products, and then comma, then we can select the sales and then comma. Here we can see that there is a more function like sum, average and maximum, minimum, anyone. So I have add these. So you have write sum, or also we can double click on this sum. So bracket close and then enter. Here we can see that the cable, PC, SD and video call are generated automatically, and also automatically generate the total amount of these. Add, we can also add these amount, so we can get these amount like I have add there here some bracket and select these amounts and bracket close and enter. Here we can see that these amount, this amount and this amount are same, so the group by formula is correct. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.